Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Praline peanuts. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of raw peanuts, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. You'll also need 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget to prepare a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will be crucial for cooling your pralines later on. Next, let's create the perfect syrup base. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, bring the syrup to a boil and continue cooking without stirring until it reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit. Now for the star of the show, the peanuts. Carefully add your 2 cups of raw peanuts to the boiling syrup. Stir continuously to ensure every peanut is thoroughly coated. Keep cooking and stirring until the syrup begins to crystallize and coats the peanuts with a beautiful, sugary crust. Remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, it's time to cool and enjoy your homemade Praline peanuts. Quickly spread the hot, coated peanuts onto your prepared parchment-lined baking sheet. Use a fork to separate them as fast as you can before they cool and harden into a delicious cluster. Once completely cool, they are ready to be enjoyed. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.